Dr. Anthony Fauci says the U.S. could start vaccinating high school students against COVID this fall and younger students early next year. Meanwhile, President Biden is pushing to make the vaccine available for all teachers by the end of the month. But the CDC says that's not required for the safe reopening of schools. Meg Oliver spoke with some teachers who said they had to go back to the classroom before they could get vaccinated. Meg, good morning.
Anthony, good morning. The CDC says vaccinations are only one way to stop the spread in schools, along with social distancing and masks. But some unions across the country say not requiring them could mean teachers won't return. The folks we spoke to said they faced a decision, either put themselves and their families in danger or risk losing the job they love.
It's like a ghost town.
At Peabody High School in Massachusetts,
I have one student in one class today.
Corey Manuel starts prepping his class just before 7 a.m.
I worry about myself getting sick. I worry about kids getting sick.
Since going back in December, the biology teacher has been teaching a hybrid model, spending half of his day in person and half of his time virtual.
It's not the same. It's disheartening. I can't hand out materials. I can't collect materials. I can't put the desks together in small groups.
If you need to use my hand sanitizer, use it on your way in.
About 8 miles away at Saugus Middle School,
Good morning, friends at home and friends at school.
Corey's wife, Jess Manuel, returned to room 176 last week. Neither teacher had been vaccinated.
How did you feel about returning in person?
Anxious. I was anxious about every part of it.
I have a lot more anxiety than he does.
Did you feel like you were taking a risk?
Very much so.
Why did you go back?
I didn't have much of a choice. It was that or not get paid.
The couple has 3 children learning virtually at home.
Rose, come here.
And the family lives with Jess's parents. All they wanted before returning to school was a shot in the arm.
When they finally prioritized teachers in Massachusetts to get the vaccine, what was your reaction to that?
Finally. Finally.
You just wanted to be vaccinated before you went back.
That's the biggest thing, yes.
And there's been a lot of talk of teachers not wanting to work and not wanting to go back to school. I can promise you that I have not devoted 15 years of my life, and I don't have 3 advanced degrees in education because I don't like kids and I don't want to go back to school.
A lot of people have said, why can't teachers go back when grocery workers have gone back or healthcare workers have gone back even before a vaccine was developed?
They're different situations. Ideally, everybody should be vaccinated. It's difficult to feel like an afterthought when, you know, states are saying, okay, here's the date you're going back, and then a week later, okay, we'll figure out when we can get teachers vaccinated. That's a frustrating situation.
Hi, how are you?
Good, I'm checking in.
It's an emotional situation as well.
I'm so excited. This is like, it's a game changer.
3 hours before we sat down with the couple,
The fact that I got here, I feel like I won the lottery.
we followed Jess to get her long-awaited shot.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's unbelievable. It feels like the first time I've taken a really deep breath in a long time. Sorry.
This was a big day for you.
I really feel like it was this page that turned. It's just a little bit shinier. Like there's just a little bit more hope there.
That feeling of hope continued on Sunday. As you can see in this video, Corey sat down for his first shot, something he has been waiting for. Now, we should know that since last year, Peabody High School has encouraged hand washing, social distancing, and they have been handing out PPE to teachers and students. Corey says he will only send his own children back into school when he receives that second shot. Anthony?
So great to see them getting that shot and see that relief on their faces. I know I've said it so many times. I got a teacher at home. Just give the teachers the shots.
Yes.
Just give them the shots.
You've also made the point that the only side effect of the
I was
shot
just going to say that.
is relief and peace of mind.
Yes.
I never forgot when you said that.
See what happened to them.
So
they
true.
want to go back. They want to be there.
Yes.
Just get them the shots.
Yes.